It's me or the gen. Oh god, the temptation. The temptation to just go in and do it. Fuck, is she following me? Let me just get this trap real quick. No. What? Oh. Oh my god, we could do this. It's me or the gen. Oh god, the temptation. The temptation to just go in and do it. Fuck, is she following me? Let me just get this trap real quick. No. What? Oh. Ah, fuck. Dude. So unlucky you would have gotten it. What? I got skipped. Damn, that was so rough. I'll sing her a song on my way out. Damn. That was tough. She played so well. Ah, is it a twitchy? It is a twitchy. Stop. They honestly did so well. They played so well. They were so cute. They seem really nice. Very, very nice. What do we have? Save, Pop, Grim, and Crop. That was a spicy game. Holy shit. Very spicy. You ready, bestie?
I am.
He's so excited.
5 minutes just contemplating who I'm going to buy, and I've bought someone.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. You did amazing, Hank. You did so good. That was such a tough game. Played it very well. Alright. I don't know if Joel's coming or if he's playing Killer. Just gonna invite him anyways.
He's sitting in menus.
Yeah. He sure is. Killer. Okay, no worries, lovey. All good. Enjoy. Try and snipe me. So I can loop your ass. Okay, time to change the build though. Do expo. You have been? Okay, hold on. Let's do it now. We can always dodge a couple lollies. Lobbies. Let me know if this is you. Oh, sorry, yes. Oh, I got the same people though. I can't dodge this one. I can't. I got the same people. That would seem so rude. Balance and... But next. And your prediction... Did I escape? What was the prediction? Did I escape? I did. It was the no mither one. Yeah. That's what it was. And I did. It was the no mither one.
Yeah, the no mither.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think you got a bunch of points from that, didn't you? Yeah, you got 520. Nice. You should be at like, what, 20k now? Anywhere it's good and look me up. Still tabbies. Right. Very good. I like it. 22k. Oh my god, you're my biggest fan, babe. It's wild. That's crazy. Might turn off Evie Cam. She is not interested. Alright, I'm on Shack Gen. What was that perk? What just happened?
Dark Lord.
Sure was.
What? How did he know?
Lethal.
What did he just guess?
He must have seen you get in. I guess? I actually don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how he knew.
I have no idea. I didn't even know you were in there. I had no idea you were in there.
Hello.
Where did he go? Did he